This training requires great concentration and is practiced with both hands clinging onto one another. It is similar to free fighting, as attacks are made without warning with both hands still clinging together. Hence, after much practice, it will help the student develop their reflexes and sensitivity towards where a strike will be made. Before getting to double hands Chi Sau, we will learn the building blocks that are the individual moves involved. We will start with both students facing each other. One throws a front punch, the other blocks with a Tan Sau. The Tan Sau block then moves to a downward palm strike, which is blocked by a knife hand. This is then repeated. Repeat this on the other side as well. For the next part of the exercise, a punch is blocked by a Bong Sau. The Bong Sau position is moved to a Tan Sau position. Note the punching hand moving to a Fuk Sau. The Tan Sau then goes to a low palm strike, blocked by a Cham Sau. This cycle is then repeated. Repeat again on the other side. Bong Sau, Tan Sau, low palm. Punch, Fuk Sau, Cham Sau. We're now ready to use these positions to make up the basic moves for practicing double hands Chi Sau. One student is going to assume the outside position and alternate a Tan Sau and Fuk Sau. The other student is going to assume the inside position and will alternate a Bong Sau and Tan Sau. When switching hands with the Bong Sau, Tan Sau, try to roll your hands between the two positions. Now we put the two together, making contact between the forearms. Alternate between the moves, trying to build a natural rhythm. You should be relaxed when practicing and not rigid. Once you are proficient with the basic moves, you can start to develop attacking and defensive techniques. Here we see a Lap Sau grab and front punch, this time a Tan Sau and punch. Watch closely again. Lap Sau and punch. Now a Tan Sau and punch. This is a low grab to off-balance your opponent. This is a Tan Sau to a Fat Sau.